I'm going to show you the homestay we stayed for 3 days, and it's called UK Nature Stay. And this is it, the entrance of our homestay, UK Nature Stay. And that is our homestay, where it is very peaceful and a nice place to hang out with friends and family. It has many varieties of trees. And this is the bathroom. There are 3 bathrooms like this and a bedroom. And this is the bedroom. And here we go, the kitchen, which the entrance is from the outside. And I'll show you the garden area, which consists of even kitchen. This is the place where you can put campfire. You can have a peaceful time with your family and friends. That is the kitchen where tasty food gets prepared. It is a very good homestay for weekend hangouts, and you can have a splendid experience with nature.